We have some fresh rainbow trout sashimi. Here's tastes like fish.
Tastes like. We just finished packing the car. Let's freaking go, bro.
Matthew, where are we going?
Camping.
We got all this stuff. We burned everything.
Woohoo! Let's go, boys.
Let's go. We're gonna have some fun.
We're there in 10 minutes. Let's go.
So ways.
Alright, so a little problem. We're supposed to go through here in the car, and the only other way around that is I have big detour, and we only got like 50 kilometers of range. So now we have to do an extra like 40 minutes of driving after 2 hours.
Yeah,
to
we
go
missed the road.
around the
It's
gate.
closed.
What do you mean we?
Can I drive?
Huh?
Yo guys, so look at this spot I just found. So beautiful. Bruh.
It's closed, and I have no more battery left. Uh-oh.
Yo guys, I think it's officially the best fishing spot yet. Look at this. So beautiful. My fishing rod too.
Alright, so boys, we just got the fire going. Woohoo! Time to make some food.
Yes, sir.
So it turns out it's raining tonight, and there's nothing to cover this. Yeah, let's go. Alright, so boys, what are we eating?
Some
Crunchy pasta.
Okay, but it's good.
It's fine.
looks good.
Oh,
You had to say it's good.
yeah.
It's fine.
What's the plan for tonight?
We're gonna finish the pastas
I'm
and
cuddling with this guy.
help me. And then we're gonna go. We'll do some marshmallows.
Oh, what a good idea. Over there.
Oh yeah.
No problem.
And also, we have a small issue. So our tent right there is like is completely see-through. So there is no protection whatsoever to rain, and there's like a 30% chance we get rain at 3 o'clock in the morning. So we'll hope it's not coming, and yeah.
Yeah, because if it rains, we might be cooked. I mean, it'll be like an alarm to wake up, I guess.
Yeah, we'll wake up at 5 and pack up everything.
And then we'll go fish.
Yes.
Let's go. We gotta catch some more fish in the morning.
Est-ce que tu filmes une vidéo ou...
Ouais, mais genre, faut cacher les natural
T'es
moments.
tellement possible. Il y a un raton laveur qui est juste là.
Ooh. Oh! Yo, get away from our food. What are you doing? Ah! Get away from our food. That's what I thought. What was this raccoon doing? Because we have all our food out here. Yo, guys, I think we have to hide our food. What you making? What you making?
Look at popcorn!
Popcorn! Bro, look at he was about to steal everything.
Oui, il parle du raton,
Bro,
le gars.
il était tellement pas slick.
Bro, il est arrivé genre. Tada, tada. Je l'ai vu seulement après tu
Bro,
l'as
Mathieu,
dit.
attends, VDB.
Mais non, est-ce
Quoi?
que vous l'avez vu quand il marchait là?
Oui.
Bro, il est passé genre 1 cm de moi, parce que VDB, je sais pas si tu sais, mais genre, quand que j'étais en train de. Genre, quand j'étais en train de faire le quiz à Mathieu, j'ai allumé la flashlight pour me tourner là.
Oh, c'est ça que tu pensais que c'était?
Oui, justement, parce que je pensais que j'étais genre, ok, il y a quelque chose qui bouge là. J'ai allumé la flashlight, j'ai regardé, il y avait rien.
C'est vrai. Ok, c'était pour ça que t'es retourné.
Yeah.
Ok, ben check.
Je vois juste une femme.
Non, oui, il était tellement nonchalant. Hey, toute la bouffe, ça va aller.
Ah ouais, tout va dans tente.
On peut juste mettre le bac dans la tente. Il y a actually de la
J'ai-tu
place.
de la place?
Ouais, de la place.
What did you just do?
Peugeot reference.
Peugeot. Ah, j'ai un morceau de poivre dans la bouche. Oh, c'est beau.
Souvent, ok.
Can't tell if it smells burn or if it smells
Dans
good.
Dans les commercials, ils les font beaucoup plus larges.
Non, ok. But he's comparing commercials. Ben, on va voir si c'est bon the first time. Hein.
Le budget.
Ouais, on n'a pas d'argent.
Parce que moi, il me restait juste 40.
Mathieu, on aura la muraille de chêne entre nous, beau.
Oh non!
On aurait une boîte impénétrable.
Bon, mais là, pas au centre.
Non, moi je peux le mêler, puis on met la boîte en Xavier.
Bro, put it on the side. Why'd you put it in the middle? Holy un-Tetris player. Pack opening.
Holy shit, I think this might be my best one yet.
Oh!
No, there's like hold the...
Il y a tous les kernels là encore.
Non, c'est correct, les kernels, on peut les remettre.
Alright, do taste this.
VDB.
Yeah.
Demain, ok, j'ai déjà pensé à un nouveau plan de match.
Oh, fuck, c'est fou.
Donc
Oh.
demain, VDB, écoute.
Ouais, j'écoute.
Donc demain, on va mettre
Ah,
le
c'est
temps
bon.
à 5 heures. toi, il faut que tu partes tout de suite chercher la voiture.
Pourquoi tu pointes là-bas, la voiture est là-bas?
Whatever.
Guys, isn't the fire just so beautiful?
So
Like me?
Looks mad fiery, dude.
Mais tu fais quoi là?
I'm gonna go get some sticks for marshmallows.
I think that's a great idea. Okay, show me how you cook a marshmallow. I want to see your technique. Show me.
I'm gonna pick
So-
eater like the guy who's filming them.
Do you really think that's gonna cook a marshmallow the way you're doing it? I mean,
Well, you can like put it here.
oh dear
I
God,
honestly don't give a shit.
that's so not how you. Let me show you how you actually cook a marshmallow. Maya, do you know how to cook a marshmallow?
You throw it in the fire.
Eat it.
Is it good? ASMR. This is how you actually cook a marshmallow. What you want to do? There you go. See? He knows how. He understands. He's not like some doo-doo who does. Oh, fuck, that's hot.
I guess, bro.
You go where there's no flames.
How it feels after stealing my marshmallow stick?
What? Bro, you gotta go here. Dans la zone où c'est rouge.
Bro, honnêtement, je m'en contre-calisse.
This is how you do it. You go here, not there, like the other bum.
Pour moi, les tartines, ça, check bien.
Look at this beautiful color.
Non, non, je enlève ça.
Very good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
A little kick.
By the way, guys, you were at school a few hours ago.
What?
Yeah,
We were at school a few hours ago and we knew nothing about this.
yeah, bro. We skipped our last period of the day. Got home. We want to go like shopping or something.
Yeah.
We got
That's what they offer.
this guy got the amazing idea. Let's go camping. So got in the car, drove a few hours, ended up in the forest beside a lake. Tomorrow we're gonna go fishing. It's gonna be absolutely banger. Only problem, electric car. The range is shit. We got here with 40 kilometers left, so very scary thing to happen. Especially since it's the first time using the car for a road trip. So
It's fine though. But
yeah,
by the way, it was all my idea of going on this crazy trip. So
I guess, bro.
if you wanna go follow my Instagram, it's Mel_MTB.
And mine is,
go check it out, please.
Mine is Oh yeah, and if ever you guys have any ideas for what I should name my account, let me know, because I just started it
Guys.
and I don't know what to name it.
We will name the account the top comment of this video.
For our next video, we will do whatever the top comment says
But you gotta be subscribed.
and like the video. Alright, so the plan for now is I'm gonna go get the car because it's parked at a charger over there. While they're gonna start packing the tent because it just started to rain a little bit. It's 4:35 right now, so yeah. And then we're gonna go for some fishing for the morning sunset. You guys will see. Every week or every 2 weeks, I'll be posting camping videos, either challenges, just having fun in the woods, just being with my friends, making some fires, making some food. So if you guys are interested and you guys want to see more of that, like and subscribe. Leave a comment, let me know what challenge I should do, and I hope to see you in another video. First fishing session of the day with Matthew and Niall. So far, caught a little fish. Here's what it looks like. Looks like we got a trout for breakfast. Are we happy, boys? W catch. Whoa. 5:45 in the morning, and we caught our first trout of the day. So this is what we're gonna be eating for breakfast. Let's go. Proud of you, buddy.
Je suis fier de toi.
C'est le quoi?
Cheese pull.
So between the three of us, this is the expert fisherman. He went on a boating tour. Wow. Went here across the Atlantic, fished a lot. And this is the little trout we got over here. Beautiful. So yeah,
Trout.
rainbow trout, yeah. So I found in Quebec, so now we're gonna keep going until we find more. Him, on the other hand, it's his first time fishing, so we'll see what he does, but looks like he's enjoying it. He helped Maya clean the fish, so that's good. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is just light a fire. Like this, we can cook the trout we caught, the rainbow trout, because it looks really good, but it's raining quite a bit. I don't know if you can see. So getting the fire started is gonna be a bit of a challenge, especially since, yeah, paper's wet. I haven't done camping in a while, but should be good. Gonna have to blow a bit into it, you know. Ah, fuck. That's hot. really small for now, just tiny thing up, but should be big. And no problem. Then we'll make a nice little trout for breakfast because it's only 6:30, by the way. So I finally got the fire started, as you can see. Now look over here, we got the rainbow trout. Woo! This is gonna be a delicious breakfast. Come on, boys. Woo! So he's preparing the trout, and it is absolutely beautiful. While we're starting to heat up the pan, getting the fire ready. So he's filleting the fish, trying to get us some sashimi pieces. Those of you who don't know when their pan is ready, either at home or in the forest, this is what you do. You pour a little bit of water on it to see that it's a bunch of droplets of water. See, it goes around like very easily. What do we have here?
We have some fresh rainbow trout sashimi that we're gonna test.
Let's do taste test all together.
Yeah.
Alright, cheers, boys.
Cheers. Cheers. Tastes like fish.
Tastes like not what we were expecting.
It's not chewy at all, though.
Not salmon.
There's a small aftertaste of fish.
We're gonna cook the trout. Hopefully, cooked trout tastes better than the raw trout. It turns out the sashimi was not very good. Maybe one day if we go to the Atlantic, it'll be better. But for now, it just tasted like a fish. Now we're gonna do a taste test. See if the cooked trout is better than the raw trout. So it turns out we forgot to film the part where we ate the cooked fish. How was it, boys? Be honest.
It was a little kick.
It's all about the friends we make along the way.
Yeah. The experience was nice.
The experience was very fun, but the fish, not so good. At least we had some good pasta last
Yeah,
night.
we'll have some soy sauce.
Yeah,
next time.
we'll bring much more ingredients for sure.